friends, and welcome to your science class. In today's class we will be discussing about what is a manure and what are the various advantages of manure. If you are watching all the videos, you may know that we are discussing the various agricultural practices undertaken by a farmer, like preparation of soil, sowing of seeds and adding manure. So this is one of the agricultural practices. Well, before starting this, let's have a small discussion. Let's discuss something. Well children, you all know that plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis, and for that process they need various vital nutrients. They need carbon, they need nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus, zinc. So in total they need 16 nutrients for their proper growth, for their proper nutrition. Like you also need proper vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates for your proper growth. Similarly, plants also need all these nutrients. So from where do plants get these nutrients? So soil supplies all these nutrients. Soil has everything in it. Soil is naturally very nutritious. So soil provides all these nutrients to a plant. If we place any seed in a soil, so the soil helps in the growth of that seed into a plant. Now what is happening here nowadays is that children, due to ever increasing population, the demand of food is also growing. The population is increasing and not every one of us is growing crops. Now, and the land is very limited. Alright, population is more and the land is very limited. So farmers are growing crops, the farmers are growing all throughout the year. The farm or a field which a farmer is owning is never left uncultivated. Year after year or crop after crop they are growing crops into that field. So can you think of what is happening with the nutrients in the soil? For example, if you are working all throughout the year, all throughout the day, for example, without any food, so what will happen? You will not feel good. Your growth will not occur very healthy. Okay, your growth will not happen in a very good way. Similarly, plants also lacks in certain nutrients due to this continuous cultivation. For example, if one season the farmer is growing wheat into one particular land, so all these nutrients are already taken in by the wheat. So when he grows another crop, that is rice, so no nutrients are left or very less nutrients are left for this rice. But it is very important to grow crop after crop because of the ever increasing demand. So how we can replenish these lost nutrients, how we can add these nutrients into the soil? By adding manure. So manure is very important for providing all these lost nutrients back to the soil. So that is the importance of manure, and it is done by farmers on a regular basis so that the lost nutrients of the soil can be replenished. So in the next slide you will see that what are the various uses of manure. It is very essential for the healthy growth of plants because it gives back the healthy nutrients and it also makes the soil very fertile. And this process of adding manure into the soil by a farmer is called as manuring. Now what is a manure? You should know that what is a manure. Well, manure is an organic compound which is made by dead and decaying plants. You can also make manure at your home. Simply what you have to do is take dead and rotted plants or leaves or vegetable peels and dump all these waste, organic waste, no plastic and nothing like that, these organic waste, or you can use rotted wood also. Put all these waste into a pit, dig a pit into a soil and put all these organic waste into the pit and add few decomposers like vermicomposting. That process is called vermicomposting. You can add few decomposers like earthworm and red worms that you will see in the next slide. You can add these worms into that. These worms help to decompose these dead and decaying plants and they convert them into manure. So these are the red worms. I hope you have studied what is vermicomposting in your 6th class. It is there. So that is how the manure is made, and these farmers use these manure to replenish the soil for its nutrients. Now what are the advantages of adding manure? So manure helps to improve the texture of the soil. Alright, if you will see the texture of the soil, it becomes very dark brown in color and the soil becomes very porous. The water can be easily absorbed by the roots if we add manure. It also makes sure that the roots are properly breathing. It also makes sure that the soil is very healthy. All the earthworms and all the microbes which are growing inside the soil, they are also breathing properly. Plus it provides the various nutrients and essential nutrients to the soil. So I hope children you got to know what is a manure, what is the process of manuring, and how we can make manure and what are the advantages of manure. So here are few advantages of manure. You can take a snapshot. We have discussed it already. In our next video, I will discuss about what is a fertilizer and how a fertilizer is different from manure and what are the advantages whereas disadvantages of a fertilizer. Thank you children.